What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is a natural language processing technique that will extract subjective information from the text and analyze them to understand the individual opinion related to the topic, such as politics, movie, or products. Sentiment analysis can allow the business to identify their customer sentiment toward products services through customer feedback. It will allow the organization or political party to create an improved marketing or political campaign based on the data gathered from the public opinions. Thus, sentiment analysis became a very important tool for understanding public opinion with human-level accuracy. In this session, I will be explaining about what is the aim of the project. The aim of the project is to experiment with different text processing and deep learning approaches, and then build the routine to develop a deep learning technique to identify the sentiment. Once we have developed a deep learning technique, we will need to create a model to predict the sentiment from the text. Once the model has been developed, we will implement a mobile application to utilize the model. In order to achieve this project objective, we will be explaining about our model architecture. In recent years, transformer-based models become more popular compared to the recurrent neural network due to improvement in computational speed and prediction accuracy. There are some well-known pre-trained transformer models such as BERT, XNet, and Distill, but are widely used for sentiment analysis. Thus, in our project, we will be using BERT for sentiment analysis. BERT, also known as Bidirectional Encoder representation from transformer, is based on the transformer model architecture. BERT will be used the encoding layer only for training the model, and there is no masking to the tokens before the training. In our model, we will be using one of the two strategies in BERT called next sentence prediction strategy. On the left side, it will show the overview flow of our model. So when there is a text input to our model, it will perform the embedding and tokenization first. Once we have performed embedding and tokenization, this data will feed into our BERT model, and then the output will also feed into the classifier layer, which will be used to perform the classification task. Once we have performed the classification task, there will be a prediction output. So in this session, we will be explaining about our experiment result. For our experiment, we will be using three datasets called IMDb, Yelp, and Twitter US Airline. For IMDb dataset, the highest accuracy that we achieve is 93% by using BERT pre-trained with fine-tuning method. For IMDb dataset, the highest accuracy that we achieve is 97.07% by using pre-trained model. And for Twitter US Airline, the highest accuracy that we achieve is 93.25%. using BERT pre-trained model also. These are the highest accuracy that we achieve for our model. Since we have already finished developing our deep learning model, now it's time to show our mobile application which utilize using this model. Our mobile application will have a text field to allow the user to input their text. When users have input their text, they can just simply press the button to get the prediction result. So, the result will return the category and confidence. The category will return either positive or negative value, and then confidence value will be the confidence level of the category. This is the end of my final year project. Thanks everyone for listening.